Hi everyone, it's Delish Desserts. Today we are going to make mini lemon macarons. In a medium bowl, sift together 3/4 cup of almond flour and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Make sure there is no lumps in the mixture or else your macarons will come out grainy. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in 2 large egg whites and beat it on high speed until it becomes frothy. Once your egg whites look like this, add in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Keep beating it until it forms stiff peaks. My mixer doesn't really go this fast, it's just sped up. You should stop mixing once your egg whites look something like this. They're white and glossy, and they form a stiff peak once you pull up the beater. Add in 2 teaspoons of lemon zest and about 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food coloring. You can adjust the color if you would like. Beat in the food coloring and lemon zest until they are well combined. This is the part that makes macarons so tricky to make. This is called the macaronage process. Add in 1/3 of the dry ingredients into the meringue. Fold gently until all the dry ingredients are combined. At first, you might think that it might not come together, but keep folding. Once you can't see any more dry ingredients, add in 1/2 of your dry ingredients and fold again. If you don't know how to fold, just follow my movements. Circle, push down, circle, push down, circle, push down, and keep repeating until you can't see any more dry ingredients. Finally, add in your last 1/3 of your dry ingredients. At this point, you would like to keep folding your mixture until it flows like magma. As you can see, mine is still a little bit more stiff, so I'm still going to fold. I had a little bit more dry ingredients in my bowl, so I just added them at this time. As you could see, the mixture gets thinner as you keep folding. So I'm just going to keep folding here until I reach the right magma-like consistency. This is how your batter should look, and you should stop mixing at this time. It flows like magma, and it's not too thin. I transferred my macaron batter to a piping bag with a small round tip. Right now I'm just piping out 1-inch circles, and as you can see, I'm using a little bit of batter from the bowl to keep down the parchment paper. I'm just taking a damp finger and I'm placing it on top of the peaks of the macarons that I didn't completely swirl off, and I'm just making sure that the top of the macaron is completely round and it doesn't have any lumps. out for 40 to 60 minutes or until a skin forms on the macaron, and when you touch it lightly, it doesn't leave any residue. While this is happening, preheat your oven to 275 degrees. Bake these for 15 minutes in the middle of the oven. Once the macarons are cooled completely, fill them with the lemon buttercream. The recipe is in the description box below. Carefully sandwich another macaron on top of the macaron with frosting. This is the finished product. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.